Well, good morning. Kind of a cloudy, soupy day as you look outside in our Syntax Roof Systems camera at the Killeen Regional Airport. You can see some of the light fog that has developed as we have a lot of humidity working back into our atmosphere thanks to a warm front that's lifting over the area. A couple of showers showing up as well on the live radar network, although you don't see much now. There's one little one right over the Brazos River Valley there south of Hearn, just north of Mumford. You're probably seeing a little bit of light rain here this morning. Now, the majority of us pretty quiet, though. We're watching some dying thunderstorms up across the northwest of us towards the Panhandle. Those not going to make it here, but we will see a surge in moisture here as we see those warmer temperatures starting to work in. Look at how warm it is along the coast, upper 70s from Houston down through Corpus Christi, 80 in Brownsville. All that warm air is working up as we do have that warm front that's lifting over the area. And if I were to draw that warm front, well, that's going to end up being right about here from, say, Del Rio back up to the north, moving right over central Texas and starting to lift up into the Dallas-Fort Worth area. You can tell where that deep moisture is with the dew points hanging around in the mid-70s. As that lifts northward, we're going to stay warm. We're going to stay muggy today. The cloud cover starting off here this morning, and we may have a little stray shower activity at times here as we go through the middle of the day. Not expecting anything too widespread, but by afternoon, lower 90s work in. Since that humidity is coming back with it, temperature is going to feel like 100. 90 in Waco today, 91 in Temple, 93 in Killeen. We'll see 93 also in Bryan College Station. Again, feel like temperatures may reach the triple digits in spots. So while it's not enough to trigger a heat advisory or heat warning, you do still need to take care of yourself. Plenty of water. Try to stay hydrated. And if you do have to be out in the heat of the day, take a couple breaks out there working if you can. Future track does show that potential for a couple stray showers here through the middle of the day. By afternoon, we're in the low to mid 90s. Again, feeling like 100. South winds do continue. We'll take that on into Friday, too. Cloud cover to start the day, very warm, very muggy, and by afternoon we're in the low to mid 90s, feeling like the triple digits again. And guess what? Saturday very similar, although Saturday will be even hotter and sunnier. Temperatures hanging around in the mid-90s, close to 95 or so. This is because an upper-level ridge is building in, at least to start here for the weekend. As we get into early next week, that backs off, and we'll get a couple disturbances swinging over. That's really going to add up. We have the potential of picking up a few inches of rain here early next week. In fact, models trying to throw out 4 to 5 inches of rain in some spots, so could really add up here. 20% chance of storms here today, 93 tomorrow, 95 on Saturday. I've got 96 on Sunday. Storm chances really ramp up, particularly Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, and temperatures likely hovering in the upper 80s and low 90s.